Welcome to Marigold Lesson. I am the Music Man. In this session we shall recite the poem and understand new words.
I am the music man. I come from far away. And I can play.
What can you play?
I play the piano. Piano, 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 piano. Piano, piano.
I am the music man. I come from far away. And I can play.
What can you play?
I play the big drum. Boom-de, boom-de, boom-de boom. Boom-de boom, boom-de boom.
Boom-de, boom-de, boom. Piano, piano, piano. Piano, piano.
Hope you enjoyed singing the song. Let's look at the meaning of new words. Music man means one who plays the musical instrument.
Example sentences are: when I play guitar, I become the music man. The music man has a flute in his hand.
The word far away is used to refer to a thing which is a long distance away.
Example sentences are: I want to go to a faraway place where there is greenery. My grandmother stays in a faraway village.
The word play means to perform music on an instrument.
Example sentences are: Satwik plays very good guitar. I love to play violin.
Piano is a large musical instrument with a row of black and white keys that are pressed to play notes.
Example sentences are: Venkat plays piano very well. I started going to piano classes during my summer vacation.
Drum is a musical instrument made from a skin stretched over the end of a hollow tube, played by hitting with the hand or a stick.
Example sentences are: My friend plays drums. Drums make a lot of noise.
The word boom is used to indicate a deep and loud hollow sound.
Example sentences are: Drums make boom sound. I can make boom sound from my mouth.
It is a nicely rhyming poem where each child takes a turn and becomes a music man with their favorite musical instrument. Child says that he is a musical man coming from far off distance. Then other children ask what instrument he plays. Then the musical man responds with the instrument, piano, and also the sound it makes. Then come to turn of the next child and their favorite musical instrument, the drum. It is time for us to answer questions from the textbook. What are the two instruments that the music man can play?
The music man can play piano and drums.
Where does the music man come from?
The music man comes from far away place.
Excellent. Here is an example of how an Indian music concert is played. Usually there are musicians playing tabla, ghatam, vocalist, tambura and then a person on violin. In Western concerts, usually you have drums, violin, guitar, piano, saxophone and a vocalist. With this we have come to the end of the session. Lesson, I am the music man.